parang work from home na parang VA tapos call center. Basta ganun siya. Yun yung mga struggles. Napagsabihan ko nga ako before na hindi ako marunong magbenta. Kaya, mga 14 days lang ako doon. Pero, oo, promise. Ang sakit kaya sa dibdib. Yun, so nangyari, tinanggal ako.
So yung mind shift na yon na dapat you treat yourself as a business. Yun yung pinakamalaking shift. So before struggle ko, wala, yun lang. Gawa lang ako ng gawa, na-burn out ako. Minsan 12 to 14 hours ako nagtatrabaho, gawa ako ng gawa. And then minsan nakakasakit ako dahil gusto mong kumita. Siguro ganun din yung mga yung mga freelancers ngayon na hindi pa alam, dapat i-treat nila as a business yung freelancing.
Kung employee mindset pa rin ako and feeling ko dapat i-trade ko yung oras ko or kailangan ko nang magkaroon ng 3 to 4 clients just to achieve this level of financial freedom din. It's not gonna work anymore. So, yun, kung uulitin ko lahat-lahat, kailangan ko mag-focus talaga sa mindset ko. And magtiwala lang talaga. Kasi it goes a long way. If mataas yung paniniwala mo sa kakayahan mo, di ba? So, mararamdaman din yung mga future clients mo. And they would really love, like working.
That was the lowest rate that I got. And then, because of these changes in mindset, especially yung coming from a place of help, it's not about me, it's about the people I want to help. Na kaya magsabi ng figure, bro. Hindi, pero sabihin na lang natin na more than 10 times yung increase nung rates ko because of that.
I was earning, parang I can close mga 30,000, 35,000, parang ganun na deals. Pero I cannot close 100k deal kasi yung mindset ko dapat either 0 or 100k lang. Kung hindi siya 100k, I'm willing to give it for free. Di bongga? Bakit tayo nahihirapan na baka Pinoy? Kasi meron tayong get rich quick mindset, right? Everything that's built to last actually takes time.
Ang na-form ko is yung pagse-celebrate mo ng small wins mo. Kasi dati kasi di ba may mga bagay na malalaki na-achieve natin, like pag nakabili tayo ng bahay, nakabili tayong kotse, parang yan yung end goal lagi. So, na-realize ko na yung mga habits ng pag-celebrate ng small wins is importante. Kasi, di ba, kahit maliit lang yung progress na nagawa mo, masaya ka. So, masaya ka along the journey, hindi mo dinidelay yung saya mo. And I think nakakatulong yan na mag-keep going ka pa rin. Kasi, alam mo kung paano i-celebrate yung maliit, lalong-lalo na siguro kapag nag-breakthrough ka na, di ba?
Ang nangyari nung pandemic is wala lahat, di ba? Home base. Nagkaroon ako maraming time sa freelance. Tapos nakita ko, dumandami clients ko eh. Useful takes up my 80% of my time but gives me 20% of my income. Maliit. Kasi, pero okay na kasi ang teacher 2 is around 25,000 a month. So, yun, madaling sabi, I left yung pagtuturo after 3 years. I left. Tapos nag-focus sa freelance. Bro, pandemic, may bili ako ng bahay.
Change is really constant, di ba? So, yung mga nagawa ko ngayon, baka iba na siya pag gagawin ko siya ulit. So, yung current knowledge ko or skill para sa freelancing might be applicable now. Pero kung magsimula ulit ako, so sa bagong panahon, baka iba na rin ulit. Ang ating course of action sa mga ganito is to keep on learning, embracing change.
Parang slowly, nadidiscover na talaga yung galing ng Pinoy. Yung galing ng Pinoy freelancers. Parang pag nag-DC ako, maraming beses na sinasabi nila sa akin na, oh, I also have a Filipino freelancer working for me.
Wow.
And they're really proud of them. And to think yung mga nasa market ko din, mga iba't ibang din kasi iba't ibang from different countries, for mga CEOs. So, nakaka-proud.
If you ask me lang personally, yung achievement ko is being able to help more Pinoy na video professionals like you and me think more in terms of value than in terms of yung hourly rates nila. Kasi maraming Pilipinong editor, hindi nila binavalue sarili nila yung service nila, di ba? Kaya yan. Yun bro, yung parang sabi ko na parang proud ako ng achievement.
They are freelancers who have been there and done that, and now sharing their thoughts and experiences to you. A message of hope that you can be one of them too. Catch them every Sunday, 9 a.m. the Freelancer Philippines YouTube channel.
And tell me, who do you want next? This is Rene of Freelancer Philippines, and I'll see you at the next video. Yo, Chief.